So you take out the white metal. This one should be closed. I mean the vein. 关了。
关闭之后，然后在前面针筒把那个墨管里面的墨水给它抽干。
等一下。And then suck all the ink out from the fourth white damper. And the next step is to take out the tube, these two tubes. And the next step is to take out these two black metal. The first screw is here, and another two is on the bottom. This one and that one. And for this black metal, there are two screws on here, like the screwdriver point on. And then move the carriage to the left and take out the head ball. And then unscrew these two screws. Loose these two. Also loose another two. And then use the scissor to cap these two. And then use the tape to tie these three tubes together in case the ink will float out. And then you can check out the tube from this side a little bit by a little bit, step by step. After take the old ink tube out, you need to put the new ink tube from here and then put back to the ink tank side. You suck first and then you move the carriage a little bit left and then you put it out, put it inside. And you can use the screwdriver to make this on, so you can suck the ink tube easily, like this way. And for the wire recirculation tube, the left one is for the ink input and the right one is for the output. This is for the whiting recirculation. So for example, this is the whiting recirculation pump, right? So this one is for the input and this one is for the output. I mean for the tube. So after you suck the ink tube from here, and then you need to plug well, like the original position before. And this two is for the white. This one still for the varnish. So finally is to install this metal and this metal, and then install the head ball. So that's all for the white ink tube replacement.